Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make photos black and white on iPhone. Making black and white pictures using your iPhone gives your photos a more professional look. And here are the easy steps to make photos black and white on an iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone, then open the Photos app. Find and tap the photo you want to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner or bottom. Tap the filters icon, the three overlapping circles. Swipe through the filter options, then choose a black and white filter like mono, silver tone, or noir. Adjust the intensity slider to your liking. Tap the adjust button, the dial for more control. Fine tune brightness, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Then tap done to save the changes. To undo, just tap the edit again, tap revert anytime. On your camera, you can use the portrait or noir or mono for dramatic black and white effect if available. You can also share your black and white photo from the Photos app. Tip: your original photo is preserved and can be restored anytime. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.